mid-70s. Monday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Tuesday, lows in the highs in the lower 70s. This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville-Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KJY85's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KJY85, broadcasting from the North Carolina Highway Patrol Radio Tower located near Statesville, on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Cabarrus, Catawba, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. At 10 a.m., the center of Hurricane Raphael was located near latitude 21.
And this here is a weekly test from one of my 3 local stations, well, alongside WXL70 and KHC27, that being KJY85 for this. And as I said, I have WXL70, KJY85, and KHC27 as my 3 local stations, or I suppose WXL70 and KJY85 for something that isn't off the air, unlike KHC27. And so I have all of my desktop radios set to both WXL70 and KJY85, but just for this video, I just chose to use this radio and this watch, just for this room here, as opposed to my room, which would have my own water radios and all the stuff in it.